From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening. I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domow here with your CNET forecast. Let's take a look back here in the morning in State College over by Beaver Stadium. 16 degrees here at 9:30 with some blue skies. But as we move into the afternoon, we can see those blue skies start to go away with some clouds moving in and jumping up to 23 degrees, but still very cold and very dreary out there as that cloud cover starts to settle in. Let's take a look at some weather headlines. We got some snow on the way in the forecast. We'll take a look at how much and where we can be seeing that, as well as bone-chilling temperatures. We'll take a look at how cold it's going to be and how far into next week we can see this cold trend, as well as a peek at the weekend with even some rain in the forecast. Yes, you saw that right, rain in the forecast. We'll take a look at where we can see and expect that rain. Let's first get into the temperatures here. Pretty cold here as we end our Tuesday, 17 degrees at 8:30. We can see a couple of snow bands here out in western Pennsylvania, which will make their way south, but will have minimal impact, but the temperatures will still be fairly low. 14 degrees here just past midnight on Wednesday, and not going up much as we move into Wednesday morning. 17 degrees as you're walking out the door at 9 a.m. on Wednesday. Now let's take a look at the snow that will be having the most impact. We can see middle of the evening on Thursday, we could see a blanket of snow will be covering the entire Commonwealth, so impacts for your commute home or any other driving that you're doing, please be aware. But as we move through into Friday, it will remain cloudy, but it will be precipitation free. Now, here's the snow that will turn into rain that we're watching here. Early Saturday morning, it will be out here in the Midwest, a little bit of rain, a little bit of snow, but as we move later into Saturday, it'll start out as snow, but it will switch into rain, which is very detrimental to any travel plans you might have, as the temperatures will create freezing rain, which has the possibility of creating lots of ice out there on the roads. And that rain and snow system will disappear, moving out off to the Atlantic Ocean here as we enter Sunday morning. So let's take a look now closer at those temperatures. We're 14 degrees colder than we were 24 hours ago, in a trend that's being felt across the Commonwealth here. 11 degrees colder in Philadelphia, 17 degrees colder in Pittsburgh, an all-around chilly day here in Pennsylvania. And let's take a look at those future temperatures. We can see as we end Tuesday, those are in the mid-teens, and they can dip down to the low teens here as we move through the early morning up into just under 20 degrees, 19 degrees here around noontime on Wednesday. And you'll see they even pop up into the low 20s, but back down again. And here, 24 degrees, most likely the warmest temperature we'll see all week. So all around cold week. So make sure when you're walking out that door, you're nice and bundled up, because the major concern here now is the wind chill with 25 mile per hour degrees as we move into late night tonight. So that will drop the temperature down as much as 20 degrees. We can be seeing wind chills as low as 0 degrees. So it's not just the jacket. You need to have layers on underneath that. You need to have mittens, hats, and gloves. You need to have all of that, because we'll see tomorrow, we'll see it jump up to as high as 35 here, calming down just to 31 miles per hour late Wednesday night. So no matter what you're doing, when you're doing it, you need to be bundled up to stay warm. And we can see that no relief happens later on Wednesday here. 27 miles per hour wind gusts late Wednesday night. Now let's take a look at the forecast for tonight. 14 degrees with a possible snow chance, but still, no matter what, very chilly and very windy. And for tomorrow, 24 degrees, mostly cloudy with those wind gusts, high 10 to 15 miles per hour wind speeds, which can produce gusts of up to 25 miles per hour. And here's a look at the 7-day forecast. Wednesday, 24 degrees, mostly cloudy. Thursday, 26 with the chance for snow showers. Friday, 36 degrees, partly sunny. 38 degrees on Saturday with a wintry mix possible, and 29 degrees on Sunday, mostly cloudy. And then starting next week, Monday, 20 degrees with a few flurries, as well as Tuesday, where temps begin to tumble even further at 12 degrees. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domow. Have a great rest of your evening.